Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can hide apps on OPPO Reno 12 Pro 5G. The first thing that we need to do is open the settings, then we need to scroll down, and here we need to go to security and privacy. And then scroll down one more time, and here we should find the hide apps option. If you go over here, you will need to enter the privacy password, unless you didn't set it up yet, so you might need to do that. And over here now we can see the list of all apps that we have installed on our device, and in order to hide something we need to simply tap on the slider. Then we can also set the access code for this specific app, and over here we can enter the code by starting with the hashtag, and then we need to also end it with the hashtag like so. So this is our access code, and there we go, we are now all set up. So I have hidden the Google Drive app, and if I go over here, you will see that this app is actually missing. But if I go to the phone app, and if I dial the code that I used, then you will open the hide apps section where you can open the hidden app. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.